words. It is actually the most speechless I think I've been this whole trip.
Best day of my life.
Guys, we are back in Vegas and we are staying at the incredible Wynn Hotel. I can't actually believe that I'm standing here. This is absolutely insane. This is the most luxurious hotel in Vegas, in my opinion. And as you can see, absolutely stunning. We weren't originally supposed to be coming to this hotel at all. It's somehow managed to come into our schedule and we've been able to stay here. So we're going to be here for 3 nights. We're going to show you around the hotel and just take you with us as we experience this insane hotel in Vegas.
Got a shock off of it.
Oh, are you okay? So we've just arrived down here for our first brunch at the Wynn, and there are no words. It is actually the most speechless I think I've been this whole trip. I've never seen so much food in my entire life. There's a pile of prawns the size of the sky. I actually got lost. Who gets lost at a buffet? That's how much food there was. It was insane. There's a pretzel the size of a house. There's pastries, there's fruit, there's salad. Even the salad is extra. Like, goodness me. And you know what makes this even more incredible? This is actually included in our room. How? Honestly, we've got so blessed with this trip. So this brunch runs from 8 a.m. until I think it's 1 o'clock, 8 till 1. And then they do like an evening one, 1 till 9. So the top ones are the beverages that are included in the brunch. So it's not just like a couple, there's quite a good bit of choice there. And then obviously if you want to pay the extra, they do an endless pour for $32.99. I think you can tell from my plate that I didn't really know what to do or where to start. It's just too much for my senses.
So I currently am eating Wagyu, which is included in the room. It's nuts. Walks up and it's literally bigger than my head. This lump. Best day of my life.
So they give you 2 hours for that buffet brunch, which is pretty generous, I think, because you could just keep eating and eating and eating. And it normally costs about $60 per person, so we are really blessed to have that included in our room. We're now just heading down to one of the many, many bars that this place has, called the Bar Parasol, which is all themed on these beautiful umbrellas. The decor in here is so well thought out, it's stunning. And we're having a drink in the afternoon because we can, and it's actually raining outside in Vegas. Who knew? And it's actually got this insane escalator that goes in a sort of semicircle around it. So prices are kind of what you would expect in this kind of hotel. So average cocktail is about $24, and beer is about $10 to $12 depending on the beer. But they really put the effort in, so you kind of feel like it's worth it. They're really good cocktails. I'm now just going to try the champagne flight, which is kind of like a champagne tasting that they offer on the cocktail menu. This is so insane. Look how like purpose-built all the glasses are and everything. And John's got this like spicy margarita in a funky pineapple glass. They just go all out. Welcome in, as the Americans would say. They literally say that everywhere you go. It's really nice in shops and gas stations. This is our Resort King. We actually upgraded to a higher floor, so we're on the 53rd floor, which is, I think there's 60 is the top, so we're really high, which if you're scared of heights, it's a little bit scary, but it's really cool because you can see everything. Really modern room, as you can see. This bed is really comfy, we slept great. They changed our pillows because they were a little bit flat and soft when we first came into the room, so we asked for firm ones and they brought them up like immediately, which was great. Actually, I wasn't sure if we were supposed to tip him. He kind of looked at me a bit weird because I didn't. And then I felt really bad. I wasn't sure if you're supposed to tip. I don't know these things. So they've got the mini bar, but no fridge to put you like water and stuff. Everything's censored, so you don't want to go in there anyway, but it's really cool and tidy. There is a cool feature as well in here. So they've got a tablet where you can control everything. You control the curtains, the lights, the AC, the TV. It's got all the restaurants on it. It's got the pool times, the spa facilities and prices and everything. It's great. They've actually got this. So Alexa, close the curtains.
Okay.
So you can literally just wake up and give a command and she'll just do it. I think in America they call them drapes. So she understands English as well as American. This is what the view looks like from the 53rd floor, which is really cool because of the shape of the building as well. Because the Wynn building curves around, you can actually see the edge of it, which really makes your feet go funny if you're scared of heights. Right next door to the Palazzo, so we're north of the Strip. That down there is the Lake of Dreams, so it's like a cocktail terrace. And they have these free shows every 30 minutes, which hopefully we're gonna check out today. They're like little art shows, which is really cool and inventive, and they're different each time, every 30 minutes. So how they come up with that many different things, I don't know. Bathroom, again, really nice, modern, clean. The shower was amazing, very powerful, nice temperature, great pressure, everything. I love my showers and that was excellent. And there's a bath as well. The lights are really cool as well, so if you're like me and you go to the toilet loads of times in the night, they've actually got night lights. So you can find your way to the toilet without falling over. Massive mirror so you can check your outfit, especially in Vegas before you go out. You can make sure that everything is banging. I'm obviously looking a little bit sunburnt because we've been at the pool today, so just ignore my redness. This hotel, so there's the Wynn and the Encore. The Wynn has about 2,700 rooms-ish, and then there's like another 2,000 rooms at the Encore as well. And apparently they've got a massive golf course, which I don't know where they're hiding it because I haven't seen that at all. They've got a spa, but you have to book a treatment to get the facilities, so you can't use the facilities without that.
If you want to play golf, it's $900 per round.
What? It's crazy. We're going to head downstairs now to find a restaurant. We haven't eaten here yet, apart from the buffet. So we're going to see, they've got tons to choose from. So we're going to be spoilt for choice. So we don't know where we're going to go yet, but we're going to have a little mooch around and find something. Knowing John, it'll probably be steak. This place is kind of like a tapas, so you choose a few different dishes and they're fairly small and then you just share it. I have not got a clue what I'm doing. I haven't had tapas for a very long time, so I feel like I don't really know what to order. It all sounds amazing. I think I'm just going to wing it and see what comes. If you are a wine person, this is definitely the place to come. The menu for the wine list was insanely long and you definitely needed to know what you were talking about. We do not. So John just ordered a wine that actually had a river that we drove past in California. So it's actually really nice. Alexa, open the curtains.
Okay.
Good morning. It's our last day today, unfortunately. We're heading down to our fabulous buffet breakfast again. Which I'm really looking forward to. And then the weather has picked up quite a bit from the look of it. So hopefully we're going to have a pool day today. Let's go and get breakfast. just here by the pool. It is the best pool in my opinion. This is so nice. They've just got it right. The temperature of the water is perfect. It's not too cold. When we got in the pool at the Venetian, it was actually freezing and I couldn't stay in, even though it was a really hot day. So this is just perfect. There's 2 pools here at the Wynn and another 2 at the Encore. We haven't seen or heard of any happy hour currently. We will keep an ear out and let you know if there is. We've ordered a pitcher of margaritas, which is 64 ounces for $74. So that's actually a pretty good deal because we should get quite a few drinks out of that. So. We don't normally get on board, but while we're in Vegas, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. It's actually quite fun. So if you didn't already know, if you are like on the slot machines or gambling, they actually ask you if you want a drink and they give you a free cocktail or a free beer or a free drink. So we've actually got a free drink, which is really cool. And I didn't think that cocktails would be included, but they are. So I got a free Aperol Spritz. Just been to Earth Cafe with URTH Earth. They do every coffee that you can imagine under the sun, stuff that you've never even heard of. John decided to order a Rude Awakening.
Clues in the name. I didn't twig.
I don't think.
What did I ask for? A strong rude awakening.
Yeah, I don't think he's going to sleep tonight. It's very, very, very strong.
Really strong. Really strong.
And I tried a pistachio latte, which is actually really nice. So just having a little wander around the hotel. So we've gone over to the Encore building, and this is their casino. Still just as nice as the Wynn, slightly different vibe. That's the one. I think I prefer the Wynn, but it's still really, really nice here. So the Wynn doesn't have any beach club pools, but the Encore does. So if you did want the beach vibe, then the Encore has the beach club. So over at the Encore, they've got this room, which is the High Rollers room. It is stunning. It's called the Peacock Bar, high limit tables, and it is absolutely just ridiculous. It makes you want to play big, I guess. Just look at that. Look at those peacock tails all lit up. So if shopping is your thing, they've definitely got you covered. They've got all the designer shops that you can think of, Dior, Louis Vuitton, pure luxury, it's crazy. So if you like shopping, this is the place to be. You're gonna have fun. So we're just having a nice drink at the Overlook Lounge, which overlooks the casino, hence the name. There is actually a dress code for this one at the door, so this is smart dress, so they don't let you in your sort of trainers and things. Prices are about the same as the other bar, the Parasol bar that we went to, but this bar they actually give you some little snacks when you sit down, which is quite nice. So we've got some nuts and some crisps. This is a view from our room at night. It looks absolutely spectacular with all the lights everywhere. There is no sleeping in Vegas. It's all 24/7. Everything's just crazy party. And it looks insane from our window. Trump Tower over there, all in gold. Right next to the Palazzo and the Venetian where we were before, which was our first day in Vegas. Prices of the rooms do vary widely depending on the day of the week and any acts that are on and the season, etc. They really fluctuate, so I think just always just check the website. You can book ones that you can cancel, so you can check the rates. If they go down, you can cancel and then rebook at a cheaper rate if they go down. We got an amazing deal because we booked really last minute and we were here during the week as well, so we did really well, but they vary massively, so just be aware of that and keep an eye out for a good deal. Sadly, the sun has set on our stay at the Wynn. It has been the best way to end our honeymoon. It's been the most luxurious hotel we've stayed at to date ever. We really love this hotel, and we would definitely come back. It's been really, really fun, and so much more that we haven't been able to experience because we just haven't been here long enough. So we would definitely want to come back, and we're really grateful that we've been able to stay here. It's been amazing.